Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another video. So hopefully you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today you might ask me why I am recording this video. Basically in this video I am going to inform you a news that is tomorrow 4th October Friday at 10 p.m. in Rajbari in Gazipur, especially the specific place is Rajbari Mat. There will be a program which is organized by Bangladesh Jamaat Islami. So tomorrow you are all invited in that program, and in the afternoon there will be a program which is called Islamic Sanskritik Onustan. So you are all are invited. So please come and enjoy that moment. Allah Hafiz.